Yo, what's up? It's Adam here from Family Jewels. Today we're going to open up a lightning set pack. We got 4 packs. We got XY, Burning Shadows, Steam Siege, and Vivid Voltage. Our promo card's going to be a More Lull, Reverse, and let's start with Steam.
Gotta go to worst first, right?
Worst first. Got the homies here.
White. I seen white code card.
I think they're all white.
Reverse Hollow Evitol.
Hollow
Shrifty. Not bad.
Not bad.
Let's go Vivid next.
What you got else in there? Evolutions and Burning Shadows.
Evo and a Burning Shadows to go.
Good setup.
Good setup.
Pick-a-Peck, Choodle, Riolu, Chimecho, Nincada, Reverse Metagross, and a non-hollow Jolteon. Alright.
Sorry, we didn't care to hit out of those anyways.
Let's go XY first.
This is where we want the hits.
Both of these sets have Charizard in them, so hoping for a Charizard. Doduo, Staryu, Seal, Charmander. We got a Magnemite, a Reverse Seal, and a whack Farfetch'd. I pull that guy so many times. Alright, saving the best for last right here. I'm feeling it. So the wind's kicking up, blowing my little wrappers away.
Tailgate opening.
Here we go. We need a Charizard. We need something.
Rainbow Charizard right in the tailgate.
Caterpie, Sandygast, Venipede, a Sneasel, an Alolan Vulpix, a Reverse, Escape Rope. We got some type of full art here, and it's a Darkrai.
Nice.
Darkrai GX. So there's the hit of the box. Not bad.
The box did
18 bucks at Walgreens. Go get you one. Fairfield rocks. Peace out.